Corvette. Oh, no, but it's because they got set on fire as well.
Where?
No, they just pop up there, and there was still on fire over there that popped up.
And then we saw one up there.
Go! Guys, we're looking for fireworks.
We're looking for Yes! I got that camera also.
Right.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where is that coming from?
You can hear them, but we can't see them.
Guys, I can't find them.
What's up, Buck?
Come here, what's up? What's up?
Guys, we'll be ready. Bonfire night.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They're coming from. Come here. I don't know where they're coming from. That way.
You can't even see any.
Yeah, you can. They need to light the big ones on fire then. See, look!
That was scary.
He saw that beautiful wonders then.
I nearly caught that. I caught a bit of it on camera.
No, I got the whole thing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
J, K. Hello, baby.
Curve it, up in my friend.
Yo. Oh, why am I going short? Who's coming?
Baby.
Beautiful.
Yo, come here, I got my flash on so they can see them better.
Look, if I try, look. If I try.
Yeah, but what you do? Shit, that scared me so bad.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck?
What the fuck, man? Who's over there?
A, B, C, D, F, G.
I'm really scared.
Guys, you gotta sit. Guys, you have to try and find something that's flowing up to the air. That means it's going to explode in the air.
Okay, I hear like a noise. I hear a noise, guys. And this is flying.
They've been setting off a lot over there, haven't they?
Yeah. Guys, I'm smoking.
So, yeah, there's one that I caught on camera.
I didn't get that one. Fuck no.
So I'm going up there by the fire at the top.
What?
I wish we could go with him.
Where you go?
Up to the shop to see where the fireworks are.
Can I come? Can we come?
I'm going short quick.
Can we come?
You're going to ask that quick.
Okay, so now we just run out! We're out to the shop.
We saw them! Oh, look how beautiful they are!
We'll be able to see them better!
They are better!
Yes!
You see them, look!
Can you see them? Wait, Kevin, I'm going to post this on YouTube, yeah? Hey! Bonfire night, Emma! Go to the car! Fireworks! I'll get there when I'm there. Okay. Vlog! Hey! Oh, where are they? We can hear them and we can't see. Alright. Bro. Come here, fireworks! If we see any, we're going to let you guys know. And we'll show you. We've caught some on camera. Oh, I think that was just a car.
No, that wasn't. That sounded like an actual firework.
I think they're just lighting them on fire now. Huh? So we'll get back to you. Yeah, we're walking to the shop. Cammy, our cousins basically. Yeah, and Flo. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Boo! Look. Hi, let me say
Yeah, Bailey, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
My name's not Bailey, is it?
B-Shaps.
B-Shaps, is it?
My brother B-Shep, son of B.
Go look at his music after this video. So this is the sky right now, and we'll show you when we're at. Oh god, we saw the flash. We saw the flash. Guys, when we get to the shop, we'll see them all.
See more?
Guys, this is the house that this house has been doing a lot, haven't they?
This house?
Yeah, they've been doing a lot of fireworks. That house.
Oh.
That was the house that was.
What the flip?
Guys, because you went trying out words. Guys, this is really loud.
That's what scared me. They could
Yeah.
have given me a heads up before that.
Tommy.
Oh no! Guys, see? I caught it on camera for you guys. So then, you guys can even see more and more and more. Alright, hey guys, so you see that one? That one is a good.
I'm walking.
Okay, guys, we'll be back when we see some.